This is a new installation of a duplex 2-family, which we are installing Adura Rigid Margate oak in the whole area. This is the kitchen dining, and we're coming around in the back hallway, continuing all the way down up to the master bedroom. All the bedrooms will get a gray plush carpet. All these platforms will get the vinyl all the way down to the basement. Then we go to the second floor apartment. Basically the same layout. The guys are bringing up and staging the vinyl in the hallway. Same layout. Bedrooms with carpet again. Whole kitchen area. So we're just staging the material. We'll be prepping the plywood floor, screwing it down where we need to, any loose boards. That hallway there is going to get a 31-inch wide runner. So just under 2,000 square feet. And this is the empty areas. And we'll be starting shortly and proceed from one to the other. And here we have the installation well underway. We got most of the kitchen area completed. Still in process. Coming down and through the hallway area here. Let's see if we can get some lights on for you. Yeah, it's going to continue again all the way down the hallway. In the bedrooms, that's the master, and these other bedrooms will get carpeting, a gray carpeting. We're going to be continuing the flooring out on all these platforms all the way down. So this is the first floor apartment. Contractor's going to install quarter rounds after we finish. So this project is underway with the Mannington Adura Rigid in this grayish color. Again, a nice large area here. So this project continues probably for another 3 days or so. And here is the project continuing. We're up on the second floor, which is basically the same as the first. It's all completed now. And we're in the process of getting ready for the carpeting to be installed. Same layout again. Second floor. Out in the rear stairway, we did these platforms. Going way down the rear section. Get here installing the tackless. Again, this is the first floor, same as the first. And again, all the way down to the entrance to the basement. So this will continue, and by the end of the day, all the carpet will be done, and this project would basically be completed. And here we have the finished project. Just under 2,000 square feet of Mannington Adura Margate oak, waterfront color, this gray color. Everything is completed, moldings are on. All in the bedrooms, we've installed a plush gray carpet in all the bedrooms. Down the hallway, in the bedrooms. master bedroom with carpet. We come out to the back hall. All these platforms have the vinyl on it.
So,
Hello.
how are you?
Okay, just want to get by over here.
That's
Second floor, basically the same layout. Master bedroom, hallway, all nice and clean. The other bedroom. And the whole kitchen area, all ready for new tenants. So this completes this new construction project with, again, about under 2,000 square feet of Mannington Rigid and about 173 square yards of a Saxony plush carpet in all the bedrooms. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video gallery to see other videos of other categories of flooring. And if you're in our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.